Hello everyone, WRO 216 Junior. We will make a small update to our robot in this category. Now we're going to replace our small motor with a medium motor. For the yellow towers, after lifting them, if you want to carry the arm for a long distance in the air, the small motors. Grip strength is not enough and it might drop them along the way. But for example, if you just take the yellow tower in front of you like this, in a normal position, and just transport it and drop it at the target area, in the release area, it grips it tightly and actually doesn't drop it or cause any trouble. So it depends on your strategy. You can use the small motor for this. But if you say you'll lift it up and carry it far away, then doing it with a medium motor is what I recommend. Let's change it now. Their appearance is almost the same. It won't take much work, just a short update. We're detaching our arm right here. I already shared the building instructions for this. Look, their designs are very similar. So it's not like a large motor. The change will be easy. I set up the connections beforehand. So now it's direct. I already connected the pins directly to this. Now I attach it where it should be. Yes, we are making an update like this. As I said, it depends on your strategy. Which motor you want to use? Now let's put this on first. Yes, that's it. Because it is stronger than the other one, it provides a tighter grip when in the air. And when you lift it up like this, you can travel a long distance without dropping it. But if you say you'll take it on the ground anyway, as I said, for those who say that, the small motor is also ideal. It is up to your preference now. From time to time like this, updates can come to my robots. Don't forget to follow me. See you soon.